Hello YouTube, this will be a really short review of the Xiaomi nail clipper, and yeah, it was kind of a shocker for me that Xiaomi makes nail clippers, but I guess they make pretty much everything. So the main selling point of this is that it has a container, which I thought that when you cut your nails it would automatically collect the nails somehow in here, so they won't go flying everywhere. But no, that's actually not the case, because the more you cut, the more this goes inside, and eventually you can kind of it gets kind of not easy to cut. So I guess you're supposed to use it like this and then collect the nails. I don't know, but honestly kind of defeats the whole purpose. Cool idea, but I'm not sure how useful exactly. Other than that, I have to say the blade is pretty sharp and cuts really nicely. Wow, that focus is bad. The materials are feel premium, and you also have a file in here, which is kind of cool. So yeah, for €4 you get a nice nail, which I think it's kind of overpriced for just a nail, because this container, I really can't find the purpose of this thing, because if I have to cut my nails somewhere and then collect them here and then take this and throw the nails in the garbage, then why not just use a paper or cut your nails somewhere like over the garbage or something. I really don't know, because it just doesn't work for collecting them automatically. Yeah, but yeah, €4 premium nail clipper. You can decide if it's something you can find useful or not. So yeah, thanks for watching and see ya.